Mr. Alfred, third time, am I right, sir? I'm meeting you for the third time. This is the third time I'm meeting you.
This is the third time.
Yeah, we just now had a discussion for a few minutes. He's read my complete message on WhatsApp, am I right?
We will meet
On Tuesday.
to speak on Tuesday, okay?
Okay, we'll meet on Tuesday and discuss about it. Nice talking to you.
Nice
Okay,
talking to
this
you
is,
too.
I kept my small slips
Okay.
over here
Alright.
in this book step. Thank you very much. But I want to show to my people something. Abhinandan here. Okay, now I came here. See you, bye. But I came here. You see everywhere people will have put money like this. But that did not astonish me. Everywhere, even in Colombia or Peru or anywhere, they sell mostly agarbattis from India. Some of them. I just saw this. I was very happy. I showed it to Mr. Alfred also. Can you see here, Bengaluru? Bengaluru. This is Magdi Road. I've gone many times to Magdi Road. Okay, there's a very interesting story from Magdi Road side. Satya Sai Baba Naga Champa Agarbatti. Okay, Bengaluru, India. I do not know that lady is selling, but I do not know how much she will say. Konta? Konta? How much is Bente? I don't know how much she says. Sir, how much is Bente?
20.
Okay, 20. Okay. So this is 20 Bolivian. 20 Bolivian means 260 rupees. How much this will be in India? Probably 30-40 rupees. It is sold here for 260 rupees. So today is the lights won't have a good effect. Again, I'll repeat. Abhinandan here. Abhinandan from Bangalore I met this lady also in Bangalore. I came to meet him yesterday, but he was not there. And today I came here again, and lot of things. Why I'm connecting with him is to target all these people, all these stall people, to give them a free website. These people won't know Spanish, won't know English, but he is an author. He speaks good English, and he told he has some problem with the government. Okay, because he's an author and he's a revolutionary author or what? They have seized his bank account and frozen his bank account. That is why I told him you have to earn money in digital asset, in crypto. So he knows that. I've sent him the proposal already. Okay, I have sent him the proposal. He's read it. Again, we are going to meet on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. Tuesday, we are going to meet with a cup of coffee. It will be a little dark, but still enjoy watching it because I'll be sharing some important information every time. And this is honey over here. They put honey in small, this one. But I purchased honey in Dubai, in Sharjah, by spending 8,800 rupees for propolis. 8,800. And not even one day I opened it. I do not know what has happened to that bottle, whether my wife has thrown it off or what, I don't know, in Bangalore. Okay, I did not open that bottle which I paid 8,800 rupees, 440 dirhams. I buy, but I sometimes don't even use. So you know what? He's selling something. I'll come wait. Okay. So, you know what? I target people. See, if I talk to all these people, they don't understand Spanish. Now, if I convince one person, educate one person, and make him to understand, he's already understood. Okay, I sent him a nice proposal in Spanish language with more than 10 points. Okay, all written very detailed. I told him, you act like my translator. Be my translator. Say he spent for the website probably more than $200, and every year he has to pay $100 every year. Okay, for maintaining that, updating and all. But Abhinandan for few people, not for everyone. Those who join with one ID or 6 IDs. One ID of $55, I'll say. One ID of $51, or they refer another 5 people in 5 days' time. 5 people in 5 days' time, if they refer, or they themselves take 6 IDs. They themselves take 6 IDs. Okay, you know what? I will give them a website. Okay, so if I grow here, Sunday it will be very crowded, but enjoy the crowd. So let me talk to you while I am recording. What is that? Chips, huh?
Nachos.
Nachos, very good. Okay, everyone try to sell something. And so you know what? I've seen all kind of, extremely pretty looking young females selling either juices they bring from their house, they sell, or cake. Everyone is trying to sell something to make money. Let me go down, or let me talk, keep observing. Maybe you look at some beautiful faces. Okay, now coming to the point is that today is 28th December. While I'm traveling, while Abhinandan is traveling, okay, I know because of the light it won't be very clear, but let me go to one point in 1 minute. So, oh, here a lot of sound is there. I thought I'll go there. People are dancing. Just observe for 2 minutes. Okay, so anywhere you go, some entertainment will be like this. In fact, before this, I had a conversation with one lady. Okay, I know a structure how to this one. I gave her my slips. She took my photos, and after that, we had a conversation for some 10 minutes, sitting on a bench over there. She told she's interested in the business. Okay, she gave me her number. Now, so even if it is not very clear, I want you to listen. So do you have an opportunity starting with only $55, around $55, around 4,811 rupees. Okay, which when you educate people, see, in India, people want to make money. They don't want to work. They don't want to talk to people. What is business? Business means you have to talk. That person is an author. He sits over there and tells people about his book. Everyone don't buy. I've seen out of 10 people, one family will buy the book by paying 10 Bolivian or 20 Bolivian or whatever it is. So, you know what? You should enjoy educating people. That is why India has more than 2 lakh trainers, 2 lakh online trainers. Everyone selling something through educating people. So if you join a business with $55, initially Abhinandan will support you. Okay, after that you have to do it daily for 2 hours time. People are your resources. Now people are my resources for me. How do I earn money? By traveling. Because I have 4 businesses. Depending on the person, I educate them. some people purchase a $123 business because it is Dallas based. It is in Spanish. A lot of details are there in Spanish. They pay $123. I get $50 in another 1 week time. But the $51 business is the best business. So don't come to a conclusion. The best of the best of the best of the best. You cannot compare it with anything else available in the market today, in the whole world. In the whole world. I'll repeat two times. Okay? So you have to contact and speak to me after you visit the website, which I keep stressing always, abhits.info. abhits.info. When you visit the website abhits.info, watch the video on a laptop or on a computer. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people today who don't have even a laptop or a computer in their house. Mobile will never be so powerful. So, you have to watch on a laptop or on a computer and watch it very attentively after 8 hour and 9 hour sleep. There's a criteria to watch it. Your mind should be fresh. If not, your mind will feel sleepy. I also, when I'm watching business video in night time, I get sleepy. Okay, when I send audio message for 3 hours, 4 hours time, when I attend Zoom meeting for 2 hours, 3 hours time, if my mind is fresh in the morning, I can listen to it. If not, I'll also feel sleepy. So after you finish a 8 hour sleep, 8 hour, 9 hour deep sleep, then I want you to take a shower so your body will feel fresh. Drink 2 glasses of water, have a strong cup of coffee, then open the website and then watch the video very attentively and don't say it is boring. It is boring. Boring things will make you money. Bitter, what is very bitter will make you very healthy. What is very painful is more gainful in life. Okay? So, I already sat somewhere. I asked one lady to take a photo. We became friends. She gave her number. So, anyhow, she told she's interested in the business. Now, I want you. I'm a lazy fellow. You want to know the laziest person in the world? I used to read sometime Mukesh Ambani earlier used to watch movies till 3 a.m. in the night and go to sleep and wake up at morning 11 o'clock and go to his office at 2 p.m. Really. I do not know now whether he's changed his schedule. I am also like that. But I'll be working till night at 3 a.m. Still to 3 a.m. I'll be working. Then go to sleep and wake up at 11 o'clock. Once I wake up at 6 o'clock and go get a milk or something like that, then I get up at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I'm a lazy fellow. If a lazy person can travel perfectly, earning while traveling, and if I say big money, sometime I've made $35,000 in 15 days time. Sometime I make big money. There are people so stupid that, I pay $55, I will earn like that $1,120,000 in 1 year time. They think just like that. You have to put effort. You have to put time. Okay, even heaven demands death. Heaven also demands your death. So, if you want to be successful, it demands your attention and focus. So I want you. There are people who call, I'll give you $51. So to you, Abhinandan, I'll get every month 3,000. Like a donkey is working in USA illegally. I met one person like that, illegally getting just $1,500 from Goa. Okay, illegally he's working in USA. Okay, for how many hours? He works for 12 hours per day in a restaurant very secretly, getting $1,500. Okay, and then he does not want to learn. He does not want to watch a video for 2 hours time. Okay, so you know what? He'll be spending hours together in night time or Sundays when he is free, only to you know what? Let me go sit here, or let me walk. So only to watch all junk, reels and shorts, but does not want to watch a video for 1 hour time and learn. Living in USA, he just say, I'll give you $51 now, so I will get every month $3,000. I blasted him left and right. He left off from the WhatsApp. It was such a useless person you are. How many times I've told you to watch the video completely and then talk to me. So like that, there are many people in India. Okay, so if you talk to me, after you visit the website and watch the video completely, when your mind is fresh, alert, after 8 hours sleep, after a shower, 2 glasses of water, and then drink a strong cup of coffee, and then watch the video and send me a message, Abhinandan, I watched the video completely. I understood so much, I did not understand so much. Okay, then you know what, I will tell you, then you have to come on a Zoom meeting by paying 201 rupees, because I don't want to waste my time for useless people. There are a lot of useless people who will come, and after that they don't respond. Many useless people come, they won't watch the video, they come on a Zoom, waste 40 minutes time, and after that they are all in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and such people waste time. They'll be broke. They just want to know what it is. It is like intellectual masturbation. You know what is masturbation? Tell me. I used to ask this in an open seminar. Okay. Intellectual masturbation. They just want to have they just want to know what it is. They don't want to take action. So though I look at the books, all these are Spanish books, not English. But I can understand which were the English titles of that. You speak English, sir?
Yeah, well, fine.
Oh, very good. Where are you from?
Venezuela.
Oh, Venezuela.
Yeah.
I watch so much video about Venezuela. Can you share on my camera to find Indian people? I'm from India. I want to visit. Venezuela. Fine. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Leo.
Leo. So how many years you are here in?
10 years here in Bolivia.
Okay, this is my name, Abhinandan.
Okay.
I was in USA, in Florida. I keep visiting USA. I met lot of people, Venezuelan people in Florida, in Miami, and
You live there?
No, I don't live. I keep visiting USA every year or alternate year for 6 months. I'm visiting from 2012. Okay, so now, have you been to Venezuela recently?
No, the last time was 5 years ago.
Oh, 5 years ago.
Yeah.
But how is the situation actually? Is it really like what some of the YouTube videos says, where they say nothing is there in the store, everything is expensive, per month salary, average salary is $3? Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
$3 per month?
Yes.
Oh my God.
A little more, maybe 10.
$10 per month?
Yes.
My
The
God.
inflation.
Huh? Inflation.
The economic inflation.
Yeah. I've seen once one of the video where a person is throwing money from the truck, huge bunch of Venezuelan currency.
Yes, it's true.
But for Indian people, there is no visa on arrival. If not, I would have gone. We have to arrange a visa and go. But all these places, because I have a US visa, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia,
Out of country.
yeah, they don't. We don't require
Yeah.
visa.
Okay.
Okay, we just come on visa on arrival.
Okay. But
Okay.
what are you doing here in Bolivia?
I'm just visiting. While I'm visiting, I'm looking for business connection and contacts also. Okay, so what do you work as?
In a petroleum company.
Oh, petroleum company.
Yeah.
Very good. This is
Ya
your
o todavía?
family?
Ya o todavía.
Okay. This is your family?
Yes.
Yeah. So now, how come you speak good English? I would suggest you, I do not know, they were my favorite books. Which is your favorite book here?
The gear there is good selling.
What is that? What is the name? What is the name? Okay. No, what is the name of the book? What's your favorite book?
I don't have an special book.
Okay.
But Harry Potter is a good.
Okay, very good. So what we'll do right now is, why don't we exchange our numbers so that since you speak English, I would like to share some information and ask you some questions. That's my Peru number, that's my USA number.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, marketing is very good there. So let me stop for a minute and interact with him. This is a place over here. Okay.